How are you today?
So I'm great by the grace of Almighty Allah. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. And where's your full name?
Sir, my full name is Rafi Khan. My friends and family call me Rafi. You may call me
A
Rafi.
nice name, Rafi. And where are you from?
Sir, I'm originally from Gopalganj. It's my birthplace, but now I live in Mirpur 40.
Do you live alone or with your family member?
Sir, I live with my family because I believe that they just support me every time and they just help me to study and being positive with my life.
What do you do whenever you got free time?
Sir, basically I do lots of activities whenever I get free time. I mostly do I read books, many English books, and watch English movies on Netflix. And whenever I just feel bored, I watch some English songs and listen many podcasts for enhance my communication skills.
Do you think you are improving day by day?
Yes, sir. I believe that I am improving day by day. I practice together with my brother, and whenever I just feel bored or relaxing, I just share with my brother and my parents. And also, my brother is my best friend and learning partner.
Learning partners. Okay, so what's your favorite game actually?
Favorite?
Game.
So my favorite game, mobile game, I guess. Whenever I just free, I play mobile games, carom, ludo with my brother.
Does your father know you can speak in English very well right now?
Yes, sir. He knows, but he can't believe that I
Can
try
speak
to speak English, but
or I can speak in English.
they,
Well, what's the reason why he doesn't believe?
I'm too bad students in English, but
Right now you are
right
good,
now
so that's why.
that's why they don't believe it.
Oh my goodness. So what did you say about Raha's English here? When you came here, you couldn't speak in English. Alhamdulillah, right now you can speak in English and as well as now you're improving yourself. What's your opinion on our course?
Sir, frankly speaking, whenever I just came here, I couldn't speak English properly. I had nervous and lots of lags in my speech, but whenever I came here, I just step by step, classes by classes, develop myself, and I believe that is the best coaching center to improve your English skills. So your encouragement and dedication always encourage me to keep trying and never give up. So I say yes, it's the best platform for learning English.
So whenever you join my class, do you enjoy my class?
I think I don't miss your any classes, and I just really enjoy your classes. Your class teaching style is truly, I say, different and unique. So I try to attend your class.
Okay, thank you very much. So most of the time I try to conduct speaking class actually. So you know that is the most important part. So most of the students come here for learning English and actually not learning grammar. So that's why I try to make my students involved in speaking. Okay, and this matter, how do you feel?
So I feel very well. It's the best technique to speak and to speak with your classmates. They just say grammar, but I believe grammar is important, but try to be more fluent in speaking. Try to speak with English every day and try to be casual or normally speaking, but speak every day. You should speak.
It may be wrong or right, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't.
Okay, so right now you are living in Dhaka city, and I want to know from you, what's the common issues of Dhaka
Sorry.
Problem?
Many problems, like most
Traffic
bad problem is
jam?
traffic jam. Is a very hustle and bustle city. I say Dhaka city, but many times over there and roads, many traffic jam, and many cars and motorbikes are included. That's why traffic jam, I say traffic jam is the most problem.
But traffic jam is the most problem. So whenever you get stuck in traffic jam, actually, how do you feel and what do you do that time?
So I do nothing, sir. It's not my
Do you feel bored?
Yes, sir. I feel really very bored. But
Don't you scroll your Facebook or don't you watch anything?
sometimes I scroll Facebook, YouTube. I watch movies, short movies and dramas in that time.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm very happy to talk to you.